In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import posts on WordPress.com. A simple WordPress tutorial, perfect for beginners who are ready to explore new ways to manage their websites effectively. First, let's head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where all the magic happens. You'll need to log into your WordPress account if you aren't already, and once you're in, you'll see a sidebar on the left-hand side. The dashboard is where you'll find all the tools you need to customize and manage your site, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout if you haven't already. It's important to know that WordPress frequently updates its interface for better user experience, so some parts may look slightly different, but the essence remains the same. Next, direct your attention to the sidebar and search for the Tools option. It's usually located towards the bottom of the menu. Click on Tools, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Import. This option is crucial, as it allows you to bring content from other blogging platforms or WordPress installations into your current site. Keep in mind that this is a powerful feature when you're migrating content, so understanding how to use it properly is key to maintaining the integrity of your posts. After you've clicked Import, you'll be presented with a series of options related to the types of files you can import. Look for the option that best describes the website or content type you're planning to import. Don't worry about making a wrong choice. WordPress provides clear descriptions and even helps guide you through the process. If your content is coming from another WordPress blog, for example, you'll likely choose the WordPress option. Once you've selected your website type, navigate to the Import Content Only section. This is what you need to focus on. Click here to continue with importing your posts without altering other elements like themes or additional site settings. This is great when you're starting fresh but still want to keep your previous work intact. Now you should be on the page where you can upload your file. You'll see an icon, often resembling a few opened folders or documents, allowing you to drag your import file directly into this section. Alternatively, you can click on it to open your File Explorer. Navigate through your drive until you find your file. This file typically has a .ns or .xml extension if it's from another WordPress site. Once found, select it and click Open. This lets WordPress work its magic, pulling in your posts and ensuring everything appears in its place. Finally, a message will confirm that everything has been successfully imported. You can now close the Import tab and visit your website to see all your content live. Importing posts to WordPress is a straightforward process once you get the hang of it. Practice makes perfect, and as you grow more comfortable with these tools, managing your site will become second nature. Enjoy your newfound skills and happy blogging!